Hi everybody and welcome to this week's Tech Tip of the Week. In this video we're going to discuss one of the many features of Webex, a video conferencing application that allows you to converse with your students and colleagues online. This application is especially useful if for some reason you can't be present at work or in class, but you don't want to lose momentum in your lesson or in a project that you're working on. So in this video, we're going to discuss how to share a file with your participants and discuss that file in your session. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a PowerPoint presentation and a Word document. But Webex is not limited to just those two types of files. So I already started my session, and you can see here at the top I have my toolbar with all the options that I have here. So to share a file, we're going to click on Share and select File including Video. Select the file that you want to use. So I'm just going to do the PowerPoint presentation first and press Open. And it might take a few moments to load, depending on how big your file is and how many things are a part of it, graphs, tables, photos, things like that. So you just have to wait a little while for it to load. So here my bar is loading, and you can see here at the top a tab has opened up that says Webex Tech Tip. Here at the top I have my Annotation Toolbar, and I can navigate through my slides by clicking the arrows here. So this is slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. I have an annotation toolbar here so I can draw on my PowerPoint presentation and point out certain things that I'm discussing with my students or things that I want them to pay attention to. So maybe in this case I want to circle my budget, or if I want to change the color I have an option here. I can also erase the mistakes I make. So let's say I make a mistake here and I click on my pen tool and I don't want that to look like that. I can click on my eraser and get rid of that. And I can navigate going through and discuss with the students what I want them to do. You can play around with some of the options that they have here, but you can type text. You can use different lines like this if you want to point out something. And you can just basically get to know your annotation toolbar by using the different features and seeing what they do. Now, just as another example, maybe I want to share a Word document. You would do it the same exact way. Click Share, File including Video, and select the document from Word. So notice how it doesn't pop up right in front of me, but another tab has opened here at the top. Make sure you stay aware of the tab so you don't get nervous that your file hasn't uploaded. My PowerPoint presentation is still here. I have to click on here to see my Word document show up. And again, I have the same options. So this is a checklist for a trip. So maybe I want to check off what I'm doing and I want to make the color yellow. I can check off as I go the things that I do. So if you're done using the file and you don't want it to be up anymore, you can just simply X out the tab here at the top and it'll ask you if you want to save the current document. That just means you want to save it in Webex. It doesn't mean that you're going to delete it if you say no. It'll still be on your machine if you don't save it in here. So I'm just going to say no, and you can navigate through your PowerPoint and continue doing what you want to do, or you can X that one out as well. So I'm just going to X this one out as well, and I don't want to save this document. And that's it. That's how you share a file on Webex. There are many really great features in Webex, but this particular feature is really useful, especially if you're missing a class and you want to share a PowerPoint with them and you don't want to lose momentum in that class or in that meeting. I hope that you use Webex going forward and see all the great features that it has to offer, and I hope that you enjoyed this tip. Have a great weekend. Bye.